Hello everyone and welcome to the Hot Wheels Masters. Today we have a very special video for you guys. We are not going to talk about Hot Wheels, but we are going to take a look at new 2022 Majorette cars. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any Diecast news videos. Let's get us to 25,000 subscribers. Okay, let's start this video with some new Majorette premium cars, including the Renault Megane RS, the Toyota GT86, the Audi Q4 e-tron, the Volvo V90, the Lamborghini Urus, the Alfa Romeo Giulia, the Nissan Zefiro, and the Mercedes Maybach Landaulet. Let's continue with some new Majorette chase cars. First of all, we have this Mercedes AMG A35 Rose Gold Edition. The car has rubber tires and you also get a collector's card with it. The car is limited to 5,000 pieces worldwide, so it is very special. Then we have two other chase cars, a Lamborghini and Hyundai Black and White Edition. These are also limited to 5,000 pieces per car worldwide. Up next we have a new limited edition camouflage 6-pack including the Mercedes-Benz G500, the Ford Mustang GT, the Nissan GT-R Nismo GT3, the Alfa Romeo Giulia, the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, and finally the Chevrolet Camaro. Up next we have some new street cars, including the Fiat 500 Icon Cabriolet, the Citroën DS4, the Toyota Hiace, the Hyundai i30N, the Isuzu D-Max Spark, the Suzuki Jimny, and the Audi R8 Spider. And last but not least, we have some new Majorette Tune-Ups Series 2 for 2022, including the Dodge Charger RT, the Toyota GT86, the Suzuki Jimny, the Renault Megane RS, the Volkswagen Golf, the Dodge Viper SRT, the Toyota Hiace, and finally the Audi R8. This was everything for today's Majorette video. If you want to know all the latest Hot Wheels news, then be sure to watch this video and I see you next Saturday in another Diecast news video.